Hey guys, Brian here, and welcome back to the channel. And a lot of people have been asking me, like, what are some safer stocks to do the wheel strategy? Even though I feel like Nvidia for me is super safe, and I've been, like I always talk about, I use Tesla, Coinbase, and Nvidia. I do RGTI a bit right now. I use AMD, and I could actually Palantir, and I also have Apple and SPY. If you want to look at my portfolio, I have the active trader up right now, which could show you pretty much everything that I'm doing. And I'm kind of getting used to this because it's fun. I like the way it looks. It reminds me of when I used to like to day trade a lot, but I actually don't do that anymore because I like the more passive type income from selling options. But I do like this look, but it might be a little bit hard to see on the screen, so we'll try it out for this video. But again, for those that don't know me, I'm Brian, and I'm a nurse, and I like to make money outside of my nursing job. I do this, I sell options, and I have real estate, and I do a lot of crypto. But one of the most like passive income that I've been making are premiums from selling options. And one of the stocks that I want to go over is this one right here, United Airlines. And I find this stock amazing to me because I fly United everywhere I go. It's one of those stocks that I feel is going to be around a long time. And like traveling is one of those things. Like I could go over a lot of fundamentals. I don't have to do too much technical analysis because all I really use is the EMA line, the 20, and Bollinger Bands to pretty much set up my covered calls and cash secured puts. So tomorrow I have like 10 grand in the waiting. Like if you want to look at I do use margin, and I have around 11,000 bucks open to use. And if you use margin in most brokerages, if you use it on a cash secured put, you won't be accruing interest. But once you're assigned, you will. So that's the scary part of it. Just be aware that you'll accrue interest if you do get assigned. But this is what I'm this is what I'm actually gonna do tomorrow, is that because like I've seen this consolidation for a while now, since what is this the whole day today. And what I was thinking, I was like, it's like I could probably make a good amount of money by Friday. It's a holiday week, so it's a short week, and I could probably make like 60 to 100 bucks off putting up like 10K of money. And like, I know that doesn't really sound crazy amazing. So let's say if we get $100 divided by 10,000, because it's $100 stock, you're making 1% on the week. That's not bad. Like, you have to look at it in that sense. That's how I personally look at it. So if you want to look at this chart right here, Bollinger Band at the top of it. So pretty much if you want to do a cash secured put, I usually put it at the lower end of the Bollinger Band, which is at 97.2. So like anything like 97 below. So it's when you're going to look over here, you're actually going to see the strike price of 97 actually has a delta of 39. So that's like right around that 40% that I like to play with when I'm a little bit more aggressive. And I will get $127 for it. 127 divided by 9,700, because that's how much capital I'll have to put up, and I'm gonna get 1.3%, and that's a solid amount of money, guys. Like, just say 127 times 4, you're making around 508 bucks a month, and like, you just do that times 12. If you're able to do it, you're gonna make another like 6,000 bucks. That's nothing to sleep on. 6,000 bucks will grow your portfolio, and 6,000 bucks can make your portfolio grow a significant amount every year, you know. And this is only with 10,000 bucks. And the thing I like about United Airlines is just it's just going to be around a significant amount of time. If you want to look at like the earnings report that's going to be coming out soon, like, there are a lot of projections that's saying they're going to be doing really well. And it's also showing for the full year, Zacks consensus estimates are projecting earnings of 10.27 per share and a revenue of 56.7 billion, which would represent changes of 2.19% and 5.68% respectively from the year prior. So obviously things are pointing up in this sense, and the Zacks rank system is actually rating them as a solid buy. And at the valuation, they're presenting a trading at a forward PE ratio of 9.7, which is technically a discount in the industry's forward PE of 10.29. So like it's one of those stocks that I think is right at that solid mark. We're going to make a lot of premium as well as potentially some appreciation as well. And like $100 a week is a pretty solid amount of money going forward. So it's one of those plays that I personally like to do. And I'll make this, and I'll actually make this play tomorrow. So if you check out my Instagram, you're going to see me actually post that I made this play. And of course, the strikes will vary depending on what the market opens as. And I also don't always trade like right at 9:30. I wait around like 10:30 to put in my trades, because I always like to see the market sentiment, and I want to make sure that I'm picking the right strike price when I'm going in. So that's like the thought process of it. And if you want to check out how I fully do all this, I do have a PDF in my stand store. It's around like $4 or $5 that pretty much gives you all the vocab you need to know to be successful with the wheel strategy, covered calls, cash your puts. And you pretty much don't need to buy anyone's course, or you could just watch the videos here. Or if you use my PDF, you could go to anyone that teaches options, and then my PDF will simplify it for you. Like if someone's speaking so high end, this one, my PDF will be able to simplify it for you and be able to understand more. But if you wanted like a one-on-one with me, you would have to buy the course. And once you finished it, you could just DM me on Instagram and show me that you finished the course, and I'll do a one-on-one with you on Discord going over any questions that you may have. So this is one of those stocks that I'm bullish on and I like to wheel is United Airlines. And let me know what you guys think about it. And obviously you could see like the rest of my portfolio. If you're looking, I have like Apple, Coinbase, a lot of Nvidia, a lot of Palantir, RGTI, and I got SPY going on, and also some Tesla in my other accounts. But I appreciate everyone for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just personally what I'm doing to build this portfolio that's currently sitting at, what's it currently sitting at? $81,000, and I'm trying to get that to 100,000 to 150,000, and of course to the nice little $250,000, and of course get it going higher and higher, just so I could probably live off this portfolio doing cash secured puts and covered calls. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.